Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to make your TikTok account private and protect your privacy. If you want to control who can see your TikTok content, follow these simple steps. Open the TikTok app on your phone and log in to your account. Tap the profile icon at the bottom right to go to your profile. Next, tap the three-line menu or hamburger icon at the top right corner. Then select Settings and Privacy. Under the Privacy section, tap on Privacy. At the top, you will see the option to make your account private. Toggle the switch next to Private Account to turn it on. When your account is private, only your approved followers can view your videos and likes. New followers will need your approval before they can see your content. While you are here, you can also manage other privacy settings like who can comment on your videos, send you direct messages, or do it with your content. Adjust these based on your preferences. That's it. Your TikTok account is now private and your content is protected. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks.